Listing your property as FSBO on Zillow is a straightforward process that can help you reach a wide audience of potential buyers. Here's how to list FSBO on Zillow. Create an account. If you haven't already, sign up for an account on Zillow. You will need to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and a password. Start listing. Once logged in, navigate to the Sell tab on the Zillow website. Choose the option to list for sale by owner to begin creating your listing. Enter property details. Fill out the listing form with accurate and detailed information about your property. Include key details such as address, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, lot size, and any notable features or recent upgrades. Upload photos. Upload high-quality photos of your property. Good photos can significantly enhance the appeal of your listing and attract more potential buyers. Set price and terms. Set an asking price for your property and specify any additional terms such as financing options, inclusions, or preferred closing timeline. Review and publish. Review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Once satisfied, click on the Publish or List Your Home button to make your FSBO listing live on Zillow. Manage your listing. After posting, regularly monitor and update your listing as needed. Respond promptly to inquiries from potential buyers and schedule showings.